You just shared recently about keeping your dreams alive on ABC News. Speak to how important it is. You've had longevity in your career. Speak to how important it is to keep your dreams alive and continue the good fight with fighting for your dreams.
Well, as an artist, if your dreams die, you die as an artist, period. You have to look at yourself all the time as a 19-year-old just starting. You can never, ever not be a fan, first of all. Like, you have to maintain that, you know. Once you start to look at it as like old news or a job, you die as an artist. So you always have to be a fan of other people, and you have to always dream that someday you're going to do something that you've dreamed of doing, you know. And most people would say to me, well, you've lived all your dreams, but I always look at it like my dream is still ahead of me. That's the